It is a rare disease as the frequency of the disease occurring is approximately 1 to 3 per 100,000 individuals. It often shows symptoms before the age of 20. Kearns-Sayre syndrome is an autosomal recessive disease caused by deletion of mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondria is the power station in our body that produce energy from the breakdown of nutrients through cellular respiration pathway, also known as oxidative phosphorylation pathway. The deletion of this essential DNA will cause loss of genes which are important in mitochondrial protein formation and oxidative phosphorylation, resulting in insufficient energy production. This disease depends on the proportion of the abnormal gene in mitochondrial DNA molecules to show both the penetrance and severity of expression of the disease, which is known as heteroplasmy. The higher proportion of the abnormal DNA will show symptoms of Kearns-Sayre syndrome. This condition is inherited in a mitochondrial pattern, which is also known as maternal inheritance. This pattern of inheritance applies to genes contained in mitochondrial DNA. This is because egg cells, not sperm cells, contribute mitochondria to the developing embryo. Children can only inherit disorders resulting from mitochondrial DNA mutations from their mother. These disorders can appear in every generation of a family and can affect both males and females, but fathers do not pass traits associated with changes in mitochondrial DNA to their children. Kearns-Sayre syndrome will affect many parts of the body, especially the eyes. One of the following symptoms must be present to prove the diagnosis of this syndrome. This includes cardiac conduction block, high concentration of cerebrospinal fluid protein, or cerebellar ataxia. Additional symptoms include mild skeletal muscle weakness, short stature, hearing loss, impaired cognitive function, and diabetes mellitus. There is currently no effective way to treat mitochondrial abnormalities in Kearns-Sayre syndrome. Treatment is generally symptomatic and supportive.